Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorial. Today we are finishing with our letters I's 50 advanced words, and without any further delay, let's get right into it. Ineffable, avarnaniye. The beauty of the sunset was ineffable. Inexorable, kathor, the inexorable march of time waits for no one. Interpolate, jodna, he interpolated his own ideas into the article. Infallible, a chook. No one is infallible, everyone makes mistakes. Indomitable, adamya, her indomitable spirit helped her overcome every challenge. Intransigent, ziddi, his intransigent attitude led to many disagreements. Impetuous, avekun, his impetuous decision led to unexpected consequences. Imprecation, sharp, the old man muttered an imprecation under his breath. Irrefutable, apoksha, the evidence presented was irrefutable. Insouciance, chinta muktata, his insouciance in the face of danger amazed everyone. Inimitable, Anupam, her inimitable style made her a beloved figure in fashion. Inchoate, Avikasit, the project is still in its inchoate stages. Invulnerable, Abhedya, the fortress seemed invulnerable, yet it was breached. Incorrigible, Adig, his incorrigible behavior frustrated everyone around him. Impecunious, the impecunious artist lived in a small, humble apartment. Inveigle, Behlana, he inveigled her into joining his project with false promises. Incumbent, Jimmedar, it is incumbent upon the government to provide basic services. Iridescent, Indradhanushi, the iridescent feathers of the birds sparkled in the sunlight. Insidious, Kapati, the insidious effects of smoking are not always immediately obvious. Insubordinate, Avagyakari, the insubordinate employee was reprimanded for his actions. Intermittent, Madhyavarti, the rain was intermittent throughout the afternoon. Improbable, Apratyashit, the idea of winning the lottery is improbable. Introspection, Atmanirikshan, introspection helped him understand his feelings better. Indefatigable, Apratihat, the indefatigable worker finished the task ahead of schedule. Incongruous, Asangat, his formal dress seemed incongruous at a casual party. Imbue, Bhardena, speech imbued the audience with a sense of hope. Irrevocable, Aparivartaniya, the decision to cancel the event was irrevocable. Imprecatory. Sharp-pulled, the imprecatory words of the old man made everyone uncomfortable. Inscrutable, wooed, and inscrutable expression left everyone guessing. Inculcate, Khana, the teacher tried to inculcate good habits in her students. Indispensable, anivarya, a good education is indispensable for success. Inefficient, akchamta, the team's inefficient use of resources resulted in delays. Inconsequential, tuch, the argument was inconsequential and didn't affect the outcome. Inculpate, doshi Thehrana, the police inculpated him for the crime after gathering evidence. Insipid, Beswad, the soup was insipid and lacked seasoning. Inveterate, Purana, he was an inveterate smoker who could not quit. Infinitesimal, Naganya, the changes were so infinitesimal that they were hardly noticeable. Incarcerate, Karavas mein dalna, he was incarcerated for his involvement in the robbery. Interminable, Anand, the meeting seemed interminable, dragging on for hours. Incognito, Gumnam, the celebrity traveled incognito to avoid being recognized. Impartial, Nishpaksh, the judge was impartial in his decision making. Impregnable, Abhedya, the fortress was impregnable and no army could breach its walls. Indulge, Lipthona, she decided to indulge herself with a spa treatment. Interdict, Pratibandh, the government imposed an interdict on the import of certain goods. Irresolute, Nirnayak, he was irresolute in his decision, unsure of what to do. Inapplicable, Anup Yogi, the rule is inapplicable to this case. Anupyogi. Inculpable, Nirdosh. The accused was found inculpable in the crime. Incantation, Mantrocharan. The wizard recited an incantation to summon the spirits. Inexplicable, Samat se bahar. The sudden disappearance of the plane is inexplicable. Ineffable, Avarnaniya. The beauty of the sunset was ineffable. And that's that for today. I'll see you in the next one.